noodle with cola.
What? Cooking a black noodle with Coca Cola?
Do you know there is cola chicken wings, cola tteokbokki, cola instant Maggi, cola barbecue pork ribs, cola glass hams, cola fried rice, cola dessert, cola top of the bowl, cola coffee, cola chocolate cake, even Coca Cola mixed with banana that makes a man strong, if you know what I mean. Because of that, why not stir fry noodle with cola?
Too much sugar.
We use cola zero, no sugar.
We are going to do the sauce now. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon of dark soya sauce. Yeah. 1 teaspoon of chicken stock. Half a teaspoon of pepper. It's time for the Coca Cola. Aha. 450 ml Coca Cola. Mix well. Let's start cooking. Coconut oil. Pour in the onions and the garlic. Pour in the cabbage. And in big large noodles. Stir. Mix it well with the veggie Coca Cola sauce. Yeah. Mix well first. Pour in the fish cake. And the meat. Mix, mix, mix. Fry and fry. Yeah. Big flame. And in more dark sauce. Oh yeah. Add in more Coca Cola. Cover and simmer for 2 minutes until the sauce thickens and the noodle is softened to your liking. Watch this video if you want to learn more about this stir-fry process. Now we're gonna taste it. Whoa! So flavorful. The sweetness, the taste of the soya sauce, and also the Coca-Cola, especially. Whoa! There's no smell of Coca-Cola. Surprising. Oh yes, you all must try this. It tastes fantastic and really fabulous. Sugar-free Coca-Cola. Come with Coca-Cola. Oh, oh, liao.